Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, we are from group in class Advanced Speaking with the name lecturer is Ibu Sri Murah Agung Jaya Mardika will be present about analysis paper. This is our member group. The first is Nimade Devani, the second is Mina Andini, the third is Komang Fitar Tadana, the fourth is Komang Rama, and the last is Nyoman Heri Jumawan. Mind map, the first introduction, the second methodology, the third result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Okay, material about introduction will be continued by my friend.
Okay, thank you for the time given to me. My name is Nimade Devani. I'm the first presenter about the material in the introduction. The background of the study. Paper is designed to report the perfection of non-specialist undergrad English language learners about the project of using video in English learning, which was advocated to overcome student low motivation to learn English. To investigate the protection of non-specialist undergrad English students in using video production in learning English, and to increase student motivation and illustrate that teachers should use teaching techniques that can encourage their students to use English in a fun way by using videos in teaching. The study also to report on the result of applying video production techniques in a general English course for non-specialist learners. And the research gap. One of the main factors that contribute to the low level of student motivation is the tedious, repetitive, and grammar-oriented learning process of English. And teachers still rely heavily on textbook-based reading activities such as memorizing, translating sentences. And the research question. And the first, how do non-specialist language learners perceive in the impact of video production on their English language learning? And the second, how do non-specialist language learners perceive the impact of video production on their motivation to study English in the future? And the third, and what is the perception of non-specialist language learners toward the implementation of the video production itself? And the significance of the study. In the research, the students were taught English using group-based video project where the developer their own scenarios, shot, edit, and present their videos by themselves. And one innovative teaching technique that English teacher can use to attract student attention and increase their motivation is to use video in teaching. And the use of video in teaching English has been widely studied and seen as an important and interesting way to teach. Okay, that's all my presentation, and the next material will be continued by my friend. Thanks, George.
Okay, thank you, Fanny. My name is Wina Andini. I will continue the material about the methodology. Next slide, please. Okay, this type of research is quantitative. Why? Because the data collection was carried out using a series of research instruments in the form of test or questionnaire. And the present study was conducted in the State University in Bali province, Indonesia. The data were collected from an intake class of 35 non-specially English students from the Hindus Education Department, consisting of 25 female students and 10 female students. Next slide, please. Okay, this is the instrument used in the research. There are two instruments, questionnaire and interview. The data were collected using a questionnaire and semi-structured interview with the student. The questionnaire used was 5-point Likert scale questionnaire. with response ranging from 1 is strongly disagree to 5 strongly agree, and consisting 50 items based on 3 dimensions. A series of interview sessions were conducted with the participant in group settings based on the group they were in when producing the videos. The interview was conducted to explore further the quantitative obtained from the questionnaire. The participants were asked similar questions to the questionnaire, but worded in a more open-ended fashion to elicit more in-depth response. Next slide, please. Okay, the next material about data collection will be continued by my friends. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time to given to me. My name is Komang Vito Artadana. I will tell you about data collection. The first is questionnaire in Indonesia to minimize inaccurate response due to language barriers. The next administration of the questionnaire and the interview session was carried out after the final score to avoid students from worrying about the impact of their answer on their grades. The next is producing video. The implementation of video producing is carried out in 3 stages: introduction, preparation phase, and video shooting and screening phase. Next is watch video together, and each video is followed by a question and answer session. Teacher and student discuss about the video. The last is fill out questionnaire and participate in interview after the video is clear. Okay, it's all about data collection. The next material will be continued by my friend.
Thanks for the chance given to me, and my turn is about result and discussion. My name is Komang Rama, and next slide, please. The first question is students' perceptions of the impact of video productions on their language learning. And the result, during the interview, the students confirmed that their reading comprehension ability was the most affected aspect of English learning by video production. And another student commented that her speaking skill, especially her pronunciation, was improved by repeating her dialect over and over again. In writing the script, students truly put their writing and reading skills to the test. And for some of the students, listening was a quiet challenge. In the interview, students said that they reached a number of videos of their topic, but they found that some words elude them. Next slide, please. And the research question is the second, students' perceptions of the impact of video productions on their motivation to learn English in the future. And the result, the students' interview indicate that the students consider video production as a beneficial in building their motivation and confidence in their English ability. And students also show increased motivation to learn English in the future, especially the instrumental motivation, as one student applied described. Students further elaborate that they think English can also be mastered by comparing it to other difficult subjects. When asked about the possibility of producing better videos, the students indicate that they would have been able to do just if they were given time to prepare. Next slide, please. And the third question is students' perceptions of the implementation of video production. And the result, video production is a novel learning experience for the students since they were already well set with the conventional handbook-based learning process. And most of the participants were full-time students. Therefore, the amount of money they have to spend on school projects is always a concern. The video production also gave the student a sense of purpose and competition. Student response to the survey and interview indicate they have a positive perceptions of the use of video productions in learning English. Next slide, please. And discussion. The questionnaire and interview results indicate that students consider video productions beneficial for their English learning process. Students thought that the most effective skill was reading comprehension. The result is very interesting since it's not in the line with previous studies on the video production. A previous study suggests that video production increased students' vocabulary and improved their speaking, translation, and writing skills, but not reading skills. Another point of the teacher need to pay attention to is the technical limitation of producing the video. Since students may have different technical competencies and different access to equipment, so teachers need to set more ground rules to assure that each student will have the same entry position. Thanks for the time given to me. And next material will be continued with my friends. Heri Jumawan, your turn.
All right, Ram. My name is Heri Jumawan. I will continue about conclusion. Please, next slide. All right, this is there are three part of conclusion. The first is conclusion of the study. Learners have positive perception of video production impact of their English skill. This is explained that students believe in this method can improve reading, speaking, and writing, listening skill and grammatical understanding. And then video production improves student motivation to learn English in the future by providing a fun and enjoyable learning experience, challenging process, and rewarding result. And then the third is video production implementation require teachers vigilance. This is causes students be more enthusiastic learning or produce something better in different and have competence as they master and use other subject they learn. And then the second list, there is a suggestion of study. Video production be interpreted into elementary, junior, and senior high school curriculum, and the impact of video production on student English learning from the state levels. And then the last, there is a limitation of the study is production research maybe on the impact of gender on video making and differences in perception of video production in ALT between digital native and digital immigrant. All right, guys, that's all about our presentation. I hope you enjoy and get the knowledge. And I close with Pramasanti. Om Santi, 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 Om.